So he's separated from the group with her to get it on. Apparently, it's something that they do regular. They go hiking and they boom, boom, ciao. What's good, YouTube? It's the boy Tyrekevlogs, and we're back with another video for you guys. Now, today, as you can see, we have something new again for you guys. Now, right now, I'm gonna bring to you guys this site where you can go and watch Caribbean movies, guys. Yes, Caribbean movies. And for one, the site is called Caribbean Cyber Stream. So I'm just here to just give you guys a little movie review. And trust me, this movie is lit. And you see, by the time I am finished telling you guys about this movie, you guys are going to want to watch that movie, ya people. It's a movie bad. And you know what I talk about it too? A Caribbean base. You know, so my channel, a Caribbean base. We go for all the Caribbean them. So right now, people, from time, this movie is called The Hike. Right? It's called The Hike. Why? We see the name, I go say, what about the walk up a mountain? You think of that? I'm not going to give away too much of the movie, but I make sure I give you something. I tell you enough. I'm going to make sure I tell you guys enough for you guys to go and watch it for yourself. Trust me. By me finish chat, you're going to want to see that movie. You're going to want some popcorn. You're going to want everything. Everybody goes to boom. And you're going to run go over Caribbean Cyber Stream. You see if you hear about it? You see if you want to go over there already? You have to wait for me to tell you about it. You know, so I'm going to tell you about it today. You know, so you go and watch it. Yo, the link to the site is going to be down below in the description of this video. You understand me? Click the link, and if you want to go watch the movie right away, you can go watch it. You understand me? I say? Yeah. So before I start getting into the juicy part, I want to make sure you guys know, yo, when you guys go over there for real, and you click the link, you see me? You support basically Caribbean filmmakers, basically. You understand me? Every day you get away and watch American movie, I'm talking to the Caribbean people. So you gotta support the Caribbean filmmakers. Them. You see me? I say, and in them time, people, especially the marship time, on the knee, if you go support with Caribbean dog, support your own dog. My channel based on the Caribbean, so I want to click the link, and they have a whole heap of movie over there for me. For you to watch it, you know what I say? Yeah. Now, you see, I still show you all your comments. So you can comment on this video, see your comment in this video. You understand me? You can say big up Tyre, basically say thanks to the site and everything. Yeah? Appreciate it. Because I know it's enough fun. I'll go over there go watch a movie. It's called The Hike. Link down below in the description. Now, people, I want you guys to watch this trailer first. I'm going to put the trailer in the video right here, right now.
Wow. I wish we could stay here together.
What would I do without you?
You might die.
You hear that?
I know them fellas and them like to talk that superstition shit to scare the group.
Babe, who are you talking to?
Just now, give me a second.
We need to get the hell out of here.
Alyssa!
My boyfriend. He's in the forest and we got super heat.
Okay, so y'all are back. Are y'all ready for the juicy movie review from the reaction box right now? Now, viewers and subscribers, y'all saw the trailer, right? So you see them in the bush, right? In the jungle. You understand me? But I think I'm going to tell them white name. I'm trying to give it juicy, but not juicy. Not all of the information at the same time. But hear me, man. So they basically, they're hiking, right? So those two, they separated from the group of hikers and shit. Because apparently what I got from the movie is my boy, the dude, you understand me? He go hiking to get little pumps. Basically, if you don't call pumps, sorry, your life sad. But he go hiking to get little pumps, basically. You know what I say? So in the bush, and he try bust out gum, kissing basically, if you don't know what bust gum means. You know what I say? He's trying to kiss up and shit. And he's just there, kissing, trying to get it on. I told you guys it's gonna be juicy. He thought I was joking. He's trying to get it on. So he's separated from the group with her to get it on. Apparently, it's something that they do regular. They go hiking and they boom, boom, ciao. Which story did I get that out of? Money hike. Anyway, so boom, boom, ciao. Okay, now she was looking all afraid, like she wasn't in the mood to do it. She never wanted to do it. You understand me? She don't want to do it this time around. She's scared. You understand me? But she had tried girl and I said, it's time to go, let's go. It's getting dark out. I don't like it here, blah, 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 blah. Apparently, this mountain that they was hiking in has spirits in it. Spirits. So people, is a dopey show. Well, not really dopey. We can call it dopey, but not a dopey show. But if you're afraid, if you are afraid, as I said Jamaica, if you're uncowed, you understand? Like if you're scared of watching scary movies by yourself, it's not like them scary movies where you have the killer clowns and all that. No, it's a nice little scary movie, like you have a bad dream kind of thing. You have to wake up out the dream. It's a movie like that. So if you have a heart, you have to watch it with somebody. I try to clap some cheeks, but she not down for that. She want to leave because she know where she was. You understand me? She know what's up with that mountain already. She know everything that's going on there. She knows the story. All right, and that's why you gotta watch the video, because I'm not gonna tell you the story. Anyway, so yeah, she there kissing shit, bam, as you saw in the trailer, right? And she's scared, like, did you hear that? Someone was calling her name, which was the mountain. All right, now him not care about nothing. He's just trying to get it on, basically, and he didn't hear nothing, so he tried to play it off silly. Boom, 2 shot fire, bow, bow. I don't know if it was shot or some clappers or some kind of sound effect or whatever. But by boy, the guy run left the woman. He run left the woman for why did you run away, leave her? Right? Nah, real man, that pick her up and run that though. My boy run left the he run left the bag them, he run left everything. But she was right behind him though, but yeah, run in front of her. Oh Lord, bro. My boy claims say MC something. So them stop and them afraid and look around and beating and blah blah blah. I'm not giving everything in the dog. I'm not giving everything in the dog. My boy start. You don't know what I'm telling you. I start hear things people are calling him name. And then him see one man and start running on the man and I draw the girl back at him. You see me I say? Then boom, my girl say, you did not see no one. And she start crying about in the whole place because she know what go on, but him not know. I start about the whole place, we need to go. And we're going to run after 3 and 3 we're going to run. And guess what this girl look? This girl knows that the man not beside her and not telling dog, and she count down to 3 and everything. 1, 2, 3. And she start moving out the whole bumbuck bell for his dog. And I think look if the man run back at the dog. My boy turn on and start look here. No, if you find, she run girl left the bumbuck bell man dog. And she know what go on him no know. She run left the bumbuck bell man in the bush. Yeah, legit run left the man in the bush dog. And me I said, John was star. My boy dead now, no. And that, I said, my boy dead now, no. She run left the man that. Yo! Then, alright, that's all that. It's alright, we're not going too much. My boy start mad. Yo, people. Caribbean Cyber Stream. You understand me? Click the link down below in the description of this video. Go over there. Go make them know say the reaction boss over there. So go and go watch some whole heap of video. You hear me? I say whole heap of video. Movies. Caribbean movies. Go support Caribbean filmmakers, people. You understand me? I say especially in them time of people. Go support the Caribbean filmmakers. Them. You hear me? Yeah. Caribbean movies lit. Trust me. And it's just as good. It's even better because for one, they must speak our language, dog. They're speaking our language, so why won't you go support them? You hear me? I say so go support the Caribbean filmmakers. Them over Caribbean Cyber Stream. Link down below in the description of this video. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. You understand me and say. And me know say the phone I'll go over there go watch it, but on Instagram dog, more to the forward. After I watch the video, let me call and chat about it dog. We about video after I watch the movie. I keep talking about it because I'm serious that. But after I watch the movie, come over talk with me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You see me I say we could chat about the movie dog and see what the boy do better. You hear me? Because not even what they do better, but what she could do to make sure say, but that's what the female could have done to make sure say the movie never end the way it end. That's all I got to tell you. Big up yourself. No we have both. Tyrekevlogs, reaction boss, or the Flash man. I'm out of here. Caribbean Cyber Stream, large. Big up on yourself. Peace.